Hello, YouTube. I'm at it again. Another episode of my Red Truck series. Order followers, take notice to Ex parte Young, 209 U.S. 123. Very interesting case law there, folks. Do your own research on it. Have federal actions pending, many named in private capacity, for violating my civil rights under color of law, trying to lock me up for not social distancing or not wearing a mask. Social distancing mandates totally unconstitutional. Attention order followers. I will attack your pension. You hear me, you oath breakers? You know why? Because federal action is my new source to make money. Oath violators are the perfect money source. Well, there you have it, folks. My Red Truck series. Thanks for watching.